Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy Coldstack with your CoinBase Wallet. First go to CoinBase Wallet, then check that you have the appropriate amount of Ethereum. You can buy or transfer anytime from Coinbase with this wallet. Then hit the little menu in the bottom for the dApp browser. Go to uniswap.org and use Uniswap. Then you're going to see a little pink bubble. Select a token, and you can go to CoinMarketCap or anywhere else to get the Coldstack address to copy and paste in that search bar above. I happen to have it imported, so I'm going to plug it in now. Then you're going to want to adjust the amount of Ethereum that you want to spend. Make sure you make it a little lower so you have room for gas fees since they're a little high right now. Then swap, then confirm swap, and you can always adjust the speed to save a little money. I usually go with the slow option. Looks like I don't have enough for the miner fee, so I'm going to go back and adjust the price a little bit. Then swap, confirm swap, okay, hit the gear, slow, okay, and then pay. And then it should be putting the transaction in as we speak. It's pending now. Alright guys, thank you for listening. Have a good day.